Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun video. I have won a prize and I have a happy mail. So I hope you will stay tuned and open this all with me and see what I've got. This is incoming from Elegant Craft Creations by Edwina, and Gina loves to craft. Okay, let's get into it. Thank you so much, Edwina and Gina. I am super excited to open this today. So let's see here. This is the package from Edwina. It is a prize receiving package opening reveal. I won a prize. I won a prize. Edwina makes beautiful 3D projects. And I am so excited. Okay, so we have a couple of charcuterie boards, or right? Charcuterie. Oh, receive. Okay, so let's see. We have that. We have a card. Let's see what's in the card. Okay, look at how sweet. Oh, she's precious. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. I love it. She's just telling me about some goodies that she sent me. So she sent me these, and I believe her husband might have, or she either Dollar Trees or, so thank you so much, hon. I love doing charcuterie board projects. They are a blast. A lot of times I use a die from Scrap Diva. So I'm excited to do that. Okay, so let's open this one first. This is her charcuterie. OMG, how cute. Oh, they were so sweet to watch the video and now to see it in person. I'm dying. They are so precious. Look at these. How cute. So this is Decorate Your Life paper. And she decoupaged the charcuterie board, and then she used one of the cute little besties and some of the Decorate Your Life sentiment stamps. Oh, beautiful shabby ribbon and some trim. Oh my gosh, I get to hang this up. Thank you so much. And a pen. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Edwina. And then we have this one here. Edwina is on the design team for Decorate Your Life, and I am on the design team for Decorate Your Life. So I am having the best time getting to know the design team at Decorate Your Life. So I hope you are following and are subscribed to the ladies' channels. And everyone is super inspiring, and Edwina makes gorgeous 3D projects. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So this is from the Blush Lace and Pearls, and this is a beautiful purse, and she's done gorgeous lace work, and she even backed it with acetate with a gorgeous pearl and pearl trims. I love it. And the handle, so pretty. And then this opens up, and it's an accordion file with lots of goodies in it. I love these. Oh my gosh, this is the ephemera she mentioned. Oh, and some retro designs too. Love. Oh, these are going to be great for some cards. I love these. Thank you so much, Edwina. Okay, there's that pocket. Oh my gosh, I have some stamps too. Oh, and one of her cute little purses that she makes. Oh my gosh, with the notebook. How sweet. She does crafts fair projects as well too, and I love her crafty style. And she has been working on some beautiful favors for an upcoming wedding, I believe. I could be wrong. I don't believe she said shower. Everyone's got so much going on. This is summertime, so I know that there's several weddings that the gals have been talking about, so my brain is not braining. I love these so much. Thank you so much, Edwina. So I encourage you to go check out Edwina's channel, Elegant Creations by Edwina. I love these stickers. Oh my gosh, these are going to be fun. These are perfect size for ATCs too. Oh, and you can do color challenges with them. Oh my gosh, that is so much fun. Oh, and another little, you can never have enough notebooks. And oh, I'm going to keep this one close by so I can write down. I love, love, love that. I'm so excited with the beautiful seam binding. I love it, and a couple of jimmies. Oh, this is perfect, and she even sewed it in like so with the ribbon. So I'm going to keep that close by for a crafty notebook, and that is it. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, pretty sure shared them all. Thank you so much, Edwina. Love, love, love. Okay, now let's open the Happy Mail I received from Gina. Okay, thank you so much, Gina. I just read Gina's note, and I went through all of the packaging and opened it up. So this is the first time that we are seeing this together. I love you so much, Gina. Thank you very, very much. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put that note there. Put it in my journal to save it. Okay. Oh my gosh. So first of all, I see these adorable, I believe they're stickers. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are wonderful. Oh, yay. Oh boy. Books and coffee. Really quick, go through these. Oh my gosh, these are fantastic. Thank you so much. I love playing with stickers. OMG, these are going to be fun for some Clear Scraps design team projects. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking sweet. Ooh, and you can even do some color challenges with these. Coffee. Oh my gosh, you hit all of the holidays too. I am loving the gnomes. Greg, I'm a Grinch before coffee. Amen. All the seasons. Thank you, Gina. Oh my gosh, so sweet. I hope you can see these. I'm trying to be quick here before one of my cats comes to see what I'm doing. Oh, so cute. Fueled by iced coffee and anxiety. Cute. How cute. Oh, and I like the Sailor Moon vibes of the anime. These are fantastic. Thank you, Gina. Okay, and then here are these ephemera and sentiments. Oh my goodness. These look like they were punch outs. Oh, wow. Oh, these are fantastic. I will definitely be using these. Oh, the otters. Or the ferrets. Excuse me. Ferrets. Oh my gosh. I love nature. And living up here in Susanville. Oh my God. Hedgehogs. So cute. Oh, thank you so much, Gina. Ooh, lion. I love me some kitty cats. Oh, these are wonderful, especially for journaling and Bible journaling. Oh, so beautiful. Gina, thank you so much for sharing these with me. Gifting these. Oh my gosh. And then here's like large coins. All the owls and the bunnies. Oh, wow. The zebras, there's something about zebras that are just so gorgeous. And more hedgehogs. Oh, these are fantastic. I'm so excited. I have some upcoming clear scraps projects I will be using these on. Thank you so much, hun. And then she sent me a bunch of sentiments. I love using sentiments. And then here are squares. Oh, these are gorgeous. Little paintings. Oh, now these could even be minks. They look like ferrets to me, but they could be a mink. Oh, these are gorgeous little pieces of art. The hedgehogs. The hedgehogs! So cute. I have one hedgehog die. I love the zebras. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to make some albums with those. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Thank you so much, Gina. And let's see, some of the sentiments. Hello, my dear friend. Sending you birthday wishes. Oh, I love having these so much. May all of your wishes come true for a special friend. Love them. Definitely. Oh, these are fantastic. Oh my gosh, I love them. They're great size too. Oh, thank you so much, sweet friend. My bestie, Gina. Love you bunches. Oh my gosh, yes. And they're affirmations, and I love these. And wow, and you sent me so much too, honey. Thank you so much. And this one was hoping your day is perfect. Well, it is now. It was a wonderful day, and now it's even better. Let's see, what are these? And they look like they were all punch outs. Oh, you can, sometimes you just need this. Oh, wow. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. Okay. Okay, and thank you again, Gina, for the wonderful ephemera and sentiments and stickers. Love, love, love them so much. Thank you. What is this? It's a gnome in the boat. Oh my gosh. OMG. Let's open this up. Let's see what it is. How stinking cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay. How fun. I always think that the way they package their dies are so neat. Thank you very much, Gina. Oh my gosh, if you don't know me well enough yet, I have an obsession with dies, so thank you very much, Gina. Okay, now on to these goodies here. She sent me a page of these adorable punch outs with all of these super cute mice. Look at that. Here's this page here. Oh, wow. Oh, am I in frame? Let's get this up a little bit more. There we go. Oh, wow. I love them. Oh, my gosh. How cute. Wow, and they're ready to go to be turned into an album, too. Okay. Oh, wow. These are really, really cute. Thank you, sweetheart, for sharing these with me. Oh, wow. Perfect size for some mini albums or journals. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, and 2 of them? Thank you. Oh, wow. super cute. I love the colors. So pretty. I love pink and green. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh, Gina. Oh, I love the feel of this paper too. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh wow. Oh, these are neat. And it's super sturdy to make some little boxes with the other side of them too. OMG. I am so excited to have these. Oh my gosh. No, looky. Ooh. Pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I have something in mind. These are fantastic. These are for cards, I think. Oh my gosh. How sweet. I was going to say how stinking sweet. So, nothing stinking about this stuff. Is absolutely fabulous. Oh my god. This is really sturdy too. So it's going to be great for a box or something. Wowzers. Thank you so much, Gina. I can't say thank you enough. So sweet. And thank you, Edwina. I have been on... I've just been tired this week trying to catch up on sleep. We've got the two little kitties, Peanut and Kiwi. So this is so kind and sweet and appreciated. Thank you so much, ladies. My gosh, get all of this put up here. I will be dipping into this, so stay tuned for upcoming projects. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you for watching. And I am already got this out and hung up. I've got Edwina's bag right there. So thank you so much, ladies. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching this and opening this with me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. This is Denise Abate Smith. I'm Treasures of a Crafty Mind. And these are my new treasures. Oh, my. Thank you, ladies. Oh, my gosh. So sweet. Okay, bye for now.